Do you want to know how you can earn money in photography without having a camera? In this video, I'm going to give 5 ways in how photography can give you profit even without owning your personal camera. Hi guys, Kate here, and I'm a photographer. And today I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how you can earn in photography even without having a camera. And yes, you can do that. And what I'm about to share with you is all based on my personal experience as a photographer. What is photography? Let's define photography first. Photography is the art, application, and practice of creating durable images by recording light, either electronically by means of an image sensor or chemically by means of a light-sensitive material such as photographic film. It is employed in many fields of science, manufacturing, and business, as well as its more direct uses for art, film and video production, recreational purposes, hobby, and mass communication. So let's simplify it to photography is the art of producing photo that is not by means of drawing or painting. So how can you make money in photography without having a camera? Number 1. Be a freelance model. Photography is about photo, and in producing a photo, you can either be the one who takes the photo or the subject of the photo. The genre of photography that requires a model can be divided into 2. The first one is for the art itself, for learning. And the next one is for advertisement, for sales and marketing. For the art itself and learning, this is more on portrait photography all the way to fine nudes photography. The photographers hire a model for the benefit of their own art, to build their portfolio, or for teaching fellow photographers like in seminars, and also for capturing a photo for competition sometimes. For the second one, for advertisements such as for sales and marketing, the people who pay you, or to be exact, the company or organization is the one that will give you your professional fee. And this is called lifestyle photography. And they will use the photo or your photos as a material for their ads. Being a model doesn't require any knowledge in photography. You just need to be fit in the requirements of the one that will hire you. And of course, you need to be confident and beautiful, not just inside, but also outside. Depending on the shoot and your role, the professional fee for a model can be as low as GC or gift certificate, passes 1,000 to 5,000 cash depending on what kind of genre. I'm talking about the Philippine market here, just to let you know. The model's talent fee can be as high as the model's experience and worth. Some brands also offer sponsorships and contract to be their brand ambassadors. There is no ceiling rate for a model's professional fee, especially if it's a supermodel or an established artist. By the way guys, I will make more videos in the future about photography, and I will share tips and tricks based on my personal experience and knowledge in photography. So make sure to press that bell and subscribe button to see my future videos. Making money in photography without having a camera. Number 2. Be a personal assistant of the photographer. Being a professional photographer is not always easy. Photographers always carry many and heavy equipment. Most of the time, they require an assistant, especially when shooting big events, lifestyle, or something similar. The assistant that I'm talking about here is the assistant that will secure the safety of the equipment and some minor tasks that the main photographer or the team will need. Depending on the shoot or studio, this type of assistant can earn per project or as a whole day basis, plus the benefit and privileges that the team is getting from the client. Being this type of assistant again doesn't need to have knowledge in photography. You just need to be a trustworthy acquaintance or a friend of a photographer. Making money in photography without having a camera. Number 3. Become a lightsman. A lightsman is also considered as an assistant to the main photographer. Unlike the first 2, this job requires some basic knowledge about photography and lighting. Though the main photographer is the one that will tell you everything you need to do, but the lightsman is the one that will set up the lights. Please do subscribe to this channel because I will share some basic of lighting in the future videos. Making money in photography without having a camera. Number 4. Be your own photographer without having a professional camera. What I mean about this is that if you are doing a small business, let's say for example, you're doing your online business, you're selling foods and products, or even services, you don't need to hire a professional photographer for that. Let me clarify. When you are just starting a small business and you have a tight budget, that is the time that you need to learn some basic of photography and be your own photographer, especially if you're just starting and you don't need to buy an expensive camera for that, because you can use your cell phone. Well, technically, your cell phone has a camera, so this does not fall in making money in photography without having a camera. But as far as entry-level or professional-worthy cameras are concerned, and it does not require you to buy photography equipment, that is why we count the saving you got from being your own photographer as an additional earning. This will really make you more income or step up your business. All you need is some knowledge about the basic of photography and some proper composition. A little basic understanding about camera angle and lighting is enough to make it a social media worthy photo. I'll be making a series about mobile phone photography on how you can use your cell phone camera in its full potential in the future video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And now we are on number 5. How to earn money in photography without having a camera? Teach. Yes, you can teach photography even if you don't have a camera, or you are not a professional photographer. Just for disclaimer, I am not generalizing this. Most of the time, people that are teaching art are artists in that field. But not every time. This is happening now. Today, photography is also becoming part of the subject in schools, in high school and college, especially here in the Philippines. You can teach about photography and theories of photography even without having the professional experience of a photographer. All you need is knowledge and understanding of the theories of photography. And by that, you are earning in photography even without having a camera. So that's it guys, the 5 ways to make money in photography without having a camera. I hope you find this video helpful or at least entertaining. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe button to see my future videos about photography. And if you have questions, suggestions, or you have anything in mind, please let me know in the comment. You can do it in English, o kung mas komportable ka sa Tagalog, edi mas okay. Once again, my name is Hate, and I will see you in the next video. Mabuhay! Actually, there's one more, and what I'm going to share with you is how I started. In the next video, mabuhay!
Life is not about chances, but it's a series of choices. Making decisions every day is a constant battle. Whether if it's a life-threatening choice, or as simple as choosing between white or brown sugar to put in your cup of coffee. I believe in talent, but I'm not a fan. Your talent was sealed the moment you were born. Anything you gain beyond that is called skill. Talent will give you great advantage, but your skill will put you in new heights because it builds you up with character. Start with your passion. Let your feelings fuel you. Let the things you love drive you. Take your time. With small, consistent steps. Let's learn photography.